So magandang araw ba sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin yun pa rin po regarding nga po dito po kay Jamie Malonzo Cabola. I will suggest the top 3 teams that should consider hard po na mag-offer po for him. So sa may di pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo kabala sa comments po ng mga fans. Alina ba si Van Dyne? Vegan Fleming trade Enzo Serrano. James Lapot trade Magenberg, sabi niya. Cabola, Fleming for Serrano, di panalo po dyan yung Converge. Lapot for Magenberg, di panalo po ulit yung Converge. In short, Cabola, mahirap pong paniwalaan, or what I mean is mahirap pong expect na mangyayari po itong mga ito, Cabola. Ronald Berbusidad, babati naman bukas birthday ko, January 4, Ronald Berbusidad. Yes sir, happy birthday and salamat po sa continued support, Cabola. Now, isang dating ex-player po ang nag-comment sa ganito situation po ng Magnolia Hotshot. Sabi niya, kailangan na daw po nilang mag-rebuild. Kailangan na po nilang Cabola mapalitan o makahanap po ng kapalit dito sa mga veteran players nila, Cabola. Of course, mga fans ng Magnolia, naman na yung sinasabi dati pa Cabola. Kapag titignan mo kasi yung ages, like Rives, 47, Baroka, 38, Abueva, 36, Lee, 35, diba? Sanggalang, 33. Overall, Cabola, they have a really old, they have a old core, Cabola. Although they have, of course, promising players done. And, of course, that's Lucero as your number 1 guy. And then, lastly, Mosa nandun din. Those two, together with Hanmisi, you can say that yun po yung mga future nila, Cabola. Nawang tanong, sapat na ba yan? And the answer is no. Cabola, diba? Sama mo pa dyan sila po, 28. They need more. No? Especially po, kung gaano po ngayon kabigat yung competition dito po sa PBA. Now, ito po yung aking current po na top 5 Rookie of the Year po na ranking, Cabola. Again, sobrang hirap po mag-ranking ngayon kasi nga wala pong available na stats, Cabola. So, ang ranking natin is basically heavily, Cabola, na ang ating pong naging basis is yung nakikita natin when we watch. Number 5 ko, Felix Lemeti. Yung kanya pong Governor's Cup was big one, Cabola. Pero consistency po ng minis niya kasi hindi niya po nakukuha kasi sobrang dalim, Cabola, ng guard rotation o rotation. Still though, the guy is real deal, Cabola. He can be something special in the future. Number 4 ko will be Baltasar. So may chance ba si Baltasar makahabol? I think yes, Cabola. But he needs to start dominating na. Kung ganun pa rin po yung performance niya, tulad ng performance niya po in his first 5 games, medyo alanganin. Kaya number 4 po siya dito sa ating ranking. Number 3 ko, Jerome Lastimosa. So si Lastimosa, basically, pagpasok pa lang niya, explosive games na po yung binigay niya. And there's also a good chance na baka mabigyan to ng mahababang playing time, especially in the last tournament. Kasi nga, baka doon, parang tanking mode na sila or something. Naititry nila yung mga bata, Cabola. Kaya naman number 3 natin, si Jerome Lastimosa dito. Number 2 natin, RJ Abarientos, Cabola. Slowly but surely, gumaganda po yung mga numero na isang Abarientos. Pinoprove niya lang. I mean, this guy has proven himself in international league. So, hindi nakakagulat, Cabola, na dito sa PBA, he is one of the best guard, diba? Pero, medyo maigpit yung competition niya with number 1. Number 1 natin is Cedric Bearfield. Currently, I think this award is for him to lose, Cabola. He just need to maintain his current production. Although, of course, mayroon pa rin namang chance si Abarientos, lalo kung mag-champion Ginebra at maging malaking role niya doon. Pwede yun yung gamitin na reason kasi ng mga voters para siya po yung piliin. Now, yung pag-uusapan natin nga, Malonzo, Cabola. Top 3 teams na I think dapat i-consider po na mag-trade offer for him. Actually, lahat ng teams dapat mag-consider to make an offer for him. Kasi again, we are very high about his potential. Naipakita na po niya yan in his first few years in the league. Number 3 natin, Phoenix. Bakit po Phoenix? Kasi sila yung team na very modern ng isipan. Sila yung team, Cabola, that will really cater to the versatility of Jamie Malonzo. They have a very versatile lineup, Cabola, at fit na fit doon ng isang Malonzo. Ang tanong lang dyan, can they pay him? Number 2 natin is of course TNT. So TNT, alam na nila yan, ng labanan po sa PBA pa rin is talent, and if they want to compete, they need to grab as much talent as possible, and kung available si Malonzo, maybe they can consider. Pero number 1 pa rin natin, San Miguel Beerman. Malonzo is easily, together with Troy Rosario siguro, the best fit po na maging kapartner po sa frontline ng isang Junmar Fajardo. Can you just imagine the athleticism po of Malonzo, his ability to hit 3-point shot, to hit pull-up shots, Cabola. He will be a nightmare power forward na i-combine mo isang Fajardo. Kababal sa pagiging mo, saan dapat mapunta si Malonzo? Comment na po sa baba.